Hi, some of you told me that I think it was somebody named Dana who first said it. The Augustin has made a rich cream. Despite the fancy packaging, you actually get a very tiny little pouch inside. So I tried my best to open it on camera once before. I didn't succeed, so I am going to try again today. I am personally not a fan of this product, although I have tried it a couple of times. My skin is now dry, peely and flaky, and this is not enough for me. I need Vaseline straight up. It unscrews better this time. Okay. There's what looks like a white nozzle, and I'll come close to the camera. And yes, as you can see there is a pouch which needs pricing out. How large it is, I will price out fully and then show you. I think I should have got something like a dental toolkit for this. I should have ideally got a pair of pliers. Ideally, I should have stolen my dad's toolkit, but I am a very bad smell with that individual, because in the long distant past, when I started my blog, I borrowed, all right, without asking, I'll confess, one sprig of orchids from his garden to use as Instagram props. One sprig of orchids. And ever since I've been a very bad smell. So I couldn't, I'm afraid, nick his toolkit. This probably needs a drill altogether. Or a chainsaw even. But Dad's got all of those things. It's just that I can't get them from him. Oh my God. Okay, so much is out, people. You pay 69 quid for this. You pay 69, and there's only so much product in here. Nonsense! Seriously, you pay 69 quid for this thumbnail covering cream. Yeah, there's only so much product, people. The rest just, I don't know, empty space. Look at that. Without a doubt, that is the biggest rip-off I've seen. This is not 15 mils, I think. What I am going to do is, no actual product came out when I was removing it from the bottle. What I am going to do is try and pull this thing off and weigh this. Yeah, on a little coin scale that I have in the past borrowed from my dad and never gave back. He bought another said for himself. To this day, I don't think he knows what actually happened to his first one. Never mind all that. I hope he doesn't watch this video. He doesn't usually watch this channel, but my mother does, and she might squeal, but I don't think she will, though. She's not quite a sneak. She grew up on a steady diet of Enid Blyton and all those boarding school stories, so she doesn't have a very good opinion of sneaking, so she's not going to sneak. So what I'm going to do now is weigh this and see how much that comes to. What we can do is, I'm afraid I'm unable to take that cap portion off from the tube. So what we can do is, you know, put the cap on the side and put just that bladder portion on the scale. So that is the weight with that pump, the nozzle and everything. I don't want to count that. So let me just try and place that on something else. In such a way that only the pouch containing the actual product is being weighed. So huge thanks to Dana for telling me about this and pointing out, you know, the truth about this so that, you know, I could share it with everybody else. So if this is how all these big brands, you know, they're charging the moon, if this is what they're doing to us, I don't know. I have nothing to say. I'm afraid I'm deeply disappointed. So I can confirm that this is a brand new bottle. I have never used this. I have smaller tubes, 7 mils, as well as 2 more of these from previous beauty boxes and advent calendars and gifts with purchase. I have tried 2 or 3 times, 1 or 2 of them, and I've forgotten all about it. I can promise you it is not used. If you don't believe me, I will show you the nozzle up close once more. So as you can see, that very, very clean nozzle. I have never used this product, this bottle before, this particular bottle before. So I can confirm this is brand new. And yeah, I haven't taken out any product. So that was shocking. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and do try it out with your own bottle. I mean, if you want, don't feel obliged to destroy your bottle. By all means, if you like the product, use it up. By all means, use it up. So thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel and I'll speak to you soon. Yeah, bye.